Hey everybody, welcome to my video. Now, the finish line is in sight. As a matter of fact, my guitar is finished. But I want to apologize that I haven't put out a video pretty much this whole month. It's been a crazy month at work. It's been like a six-day week for me every week at work, and I just haven't had the time to kind of put everything together. But my goal is I'm shooting this now, and I hope that you're seeing this by the end of October. And so in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about hardware, and you'll see some, me just kind of finishing up, putting the hardware on, that sort of thing. I lost some footage of me soldering in the pickups and some other pieces. I don't know how that happened, and so I kind of aggravates me, to come right down to the end and lose some footage. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I have, and then at the end of this video, I will introduce you to the finished guitar. And hopefully in a week or so after this video comes out, I'll have a super edit finished and a demo vid, and have my final photos taken, ready to submit to the GGBO website. And so thanks for following along on the journey. I will see you back at the end of the video to show you the completed guitar. Thanks. Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, as you can see, piled on the table here in front of me, I've got just a big pile of hardware. And so that means that we're getting pretty close to putting this guitar together. And so I wanted just to take a few minutes at the beginning of this video and just kind of talk about the hardware that I'm using, especially the pickups. I have them in my hands. Well, not literally in my hands, but they're sitting here beside me. And tell you a little bit about those, and then we're going to start screwing parts to this guitar. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to start with the tuners. Going to try these D'Addario locking tuners. I've never used these before. These actually trim the tag end of the string off. At least they advertise they do. So we'll find out when we get them on there. Set of D'Addario gold end pins, the strap buttons. Got a bridge. Reached out to the folks across the pond. I wanted to use a hardtail bridge. This is from Granger over in the UK. I think looks like pretty good quality. I don't know if you can see, some of the saddles are off of there. I've already taken them off so I could mark the holes on the body. But a real nice looking alternative to Hip Shop products over here. Switchcraft, the good old gold Switchcraft, Les Paul style switch. Alternative to that, I've thought about if I split the coils. I also have a gold Freeway switch. I haven't made my mind up yet. I'm probably not going to do a coil split, but I may change my mind later on. But I have the switch in case I want to. Got a Mojo Tone volume pot, which is also a push pull. This is a 500K push pull pot, and I'm not using a tone control on this guitar. I'm just going to use the pull function for a tone cut. I don't use tone control hardly ever, but this will be there as a tone cut in case you want to use it. Let's see, I'm going to try a pure tone 1/4-inch jack, gold plated 1/4-inch jack. This is kind of an alternative to a Switchcraft. Never used one of these, but I'm looking forward to using that to see how it's going to go. And then for the jack plate, I've got the old Gibson here, square plate. Alternatively to that, I may just use I've got a football shaped plate, so I may go with a football shaped plate. I'm not sure yet. Well, let's see what else we got. The old gold knob. I'll put it on there for now. May do something different with a knob later on. So yeah, that's pretty much the hardware, except for the pickups, which I'm about to show you right now. So I knew pretty early on in this build that I wanted to do something special for the pickups, and so I reached out to Todd DeRocher at Greenville Pickups out of Warren, Michigan. Now, Todd and his son Joshua founded this company a few years ago, and they make some really, really cool custom-made hand-wound pickups. And so I reached out to Todd. I told him what I was doing. I said, hey, this is, this is for this contest, and I was just wondering if I kind of tell you what I'm thinking about, if you could just see if you have some ideas for something unique. And he reached back out to me and he says, man, that's awesome. We'd love to. Me and my son love doing this sort of thing and, custom work like this. And so I kind of sent him some of my drawings and the concept that I had, and he sent me some things back that they come up with. And so we just kind of went back and forth over the next few weeks. And here's what I have. I mean, these are really cool pickups. You can tell that they take pride in what they do. Their packaging is just outstanding. They tell you a little bit about their story on the back, and everything is hand wound. And these are called Gold Rush pickups. And as you can see, they're a little bit offset, and it kind of goes with this little bit offset look of the guitar. And I really can't wait to get these things in and hear what they sound like. We're Alnico 5 in the bridge, Alnico 2 in the neck, and so we get that kind of vintage, in the neck, and something maybe a little more modern sounding up in the bridge. And these are really cool, and you can just really, really tell that they're good quality. Todd and Joshua, they're great folks, super easy to work with, very reasonably priced for the quality that you get. And so I'm just real excited about this. And so we're about to go get started and put these things in. Well, let me introduce you to Marilyn, my entry for the Great Guitar Build Off Scratch Build 2023. This is her. She's completely finished. All the hardware's on, strung up, set up, frets polished, everything ready to go. I named her Marilyn after Marilyn Monroe, the iconic American film actor from a long time ago. And yeah. Got to get some pictures taken. Got to get some demo footage done. Maybe I'll try to find somebody a little better guitar player than me. I've been playing since I was a teenager, but it's far too mediocre to be playing as long as I have. But I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. And look for that video maybe in a week or two after this one here posts up. So thanks for watching. See you next time.